Hello there, welcome back to our channel. We're so glad you're here. We are in the middle of a Crack the Code series where we're talking about how to support our earliest learners be able to communicate what they're learning, what they know through a benchmark assessment. I'm Jenny. I'm an early childhood educator and a dyslexia interventionist. I'm also a literacy specialist here at Maitri Learning. Today I'm going to be sharing a lot of resources with you. We're going to explore are these beautiful laminated phonetic reading cards from Maitri Learning. This is the Level 1 Simplest Phonetic Words Pack, and I want to show you how you can use these cards to help support phoneme segmentation fluency. When we first start phoneme segmentation fluency, I would start with CVC words, where there is one letter spelling pattern to represent the one sound. For example, map, app. That is a great beginning place, whereas we could later progress to harder words that have digraphs and maybe a silent E in the word. For example, the word shake, ache, 3 sounds in the word that has 5 letters. We would progress to that. So let's play a game. This is called Break It Down. I say the word, you break it down. Map. App. Map. Good breaking it down. That's phoneme segmentation fluency. Break it down. I say the word, you break it down. The word is log. G. Good job breaking it down. I say the word, you break it down. The word is cap. App. You see, I'm adding the finger tapping. This really helps some students, especially if you ask, okay, what was the first sound? Well, they have a physical representation, a multisensory way to go back and look at something. It helps connect the brain to the learning. Okay, what was the last sound? However, for really young children, that's really hard, the fine motor skills. So sometimes some teachers will use arm tapping. Some teachers don't use arm tapping for phonetic words. It's really what works for your class, for your children. You could use physical Play-Doh, whatever works for your class. I say the word, you break it down. Hat. Hat. I've also seen finger tapping on the chin like this, so this is another option. I say the word, you break it down. Mat. Act. What was the first sound? What was the last sound? Good job. What was the sound in the middle? I say the word, you break it down. Cat. Act. So these are some examples of phoneme segmentation fluency. It is said that phoneme segmentation can be done with our eyes closed. We don't have to have any visual representation. However, I believe in multisensory methods to cognitive processing. So showing a picture, tapping with our bodies gives our brains multiple ways to remember. So these Maitri products, phonetic words in level 1, are a fantastic way to start your journey to phoneme segmentation. Over to our website, maitrilearning.com, and check out more of our resources to support your phoneme segmentation fluency skills and also to build phonemic awareness and phonics. All of these early literacy skills will support your young reader in not only their reading journey, but also in cracking the code of those benchmark tests. Well, until next time, be kind, be brave, and go love teach. And come on back to our channel where we'll continue our series on cracking the code. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.